Hey, it's your girl Ricole, the people's accountant. Let me ask you a question. How do you know whether your nonprofit is doing well financially? If your answer is, I logged into my bank account and we still have money, then this video is for you. One of the biggest mistakes I see nonprofit leaders make is using their bank balance to make financial decisions. And today, I am going to explain why your bank account can actually fool you. So, welcome back to the Unwritten Ledger. I am Ricole Tautone, founder of Books That Fund, and I help nonprofit organizations build financial systems that prepare them for growth and funding. Today's lesson may completely change how you look at your organization's money because your bank balance is only one piece of the financial picture. So, let's say your nonprofit has $50,000 sitting in the bank. That sounds great, right? Not necessarily. What if $20,000 belong to a grant that can only be used for youth program? $10,000 has already been promised to payroll next week, and $5,000 is set aside for your annual fundraising event. Suddenly, do you really have $50,000 available? No. You might only have 15,000 that's actually available to spend. But if you only look at your bank balance, you may think you have far more flexibility than you really do. And that's how nonprofits accidentally overspend. Why is this happening, you might ask? Your bank account tells you one thing: how much cash is sitting there today. It does not tell you what that money is for, which grant it belongs to, whether it is restricted, whether you've already committed to something to it, whether you're making or losing money on a specific program. Your accounting system should always answer those questions, not your bank account. Now, I want to give you an example. So imagine you receive a $100,000 grant. The money hits your account, you open your banking app, and wow, you have $100,000. But then reality sets in. That money is intended to serve 200 families over the next 12 months. It's not money you can spend however you want. It's money you are responsible for managing. And that's the huge difference. So instead of asking, how much money is in my bank account? Start asking questions like, how much unrestricted cash do I have? How much grant funding remains? How much have we spent by the program? That is very important. You need to know your spending habits per program that you run through your nonprofit. You also want to ask, what are your monthly operating costs? Can we afford another employee? Those questions help you lead your nonprofit, not your bank balance. That is exactly why I created Books That Fund. I wanted nonprofit leaders to stop guessing. I want them to understand where every dollar came from and where every dollar went and what story those dollars are telling. Because accounting isn't about numbers, accounting is about making informed decisions. So here's your homework. This week, don't just check your bank balance, pull your financial statements, look at your income, look at your expenses, ask yourself, do I understand where my money is coming from? Do I understand where it's going? And if the answer is no, that's okay. The first step is just recognizing it. And if this video helped you think differently about your nonprofit finances, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with another nonprofit leader. And I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, have you ever made a financial decision based on your bank balance? I'll see you in the next episode. And remember, your ledger has a past, but your financial future is still unwritten. Have a great day.